Hi everyone, Deb here. I have my paper pumpkin that came yesterday. It is for August and it's called Meaningful Flowers. You may have been seeing other unboxings. This is going to be just an unboxing. And I still owe July alternatives. I haven't touched it since I did the unboxing. And I know it's nearby somewhere. Nearby my desk somewhere, but I can't put my hands on it right this second. Anyway, let's see what we have. We have a pretty peacock Stampin' Spot, yay. Oh, this is the month we got an extra stamp set. So we have these two, they look like almost distinctive flowers and a stem. And then these, which say, "You are capable of amazing things. Your friendship is unforgettable, and you rise above the rest." And then this beautiful set of flowers here, and what looks to be a lily pad with water lines around it. Interesting. I haven't watched, I saw one other demonstrator that I know do an unboxing, but I didn't watch it. So let's see what we have, and then I'll move the box out of the way. Easiest to turn it upside down and dump it. And I just tore that tissue. I usually save it, but I will dump it this time. I'm upset now. I don't know where I put my other one I had out to do. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's cut the glary plastic off. And see what we have. I'll put these here for you to look at. Oh wow, that's kind of glary too, huh? Sorry about that. Why is this giving me difficulty? Looks like we have some tear and tape again. I've been using the one from one of the boxes that was, maybe I finished it and hadn't used the tear and tape. I don't know. All right, so let's bring this out first. Okay, 2 cards. They're pretty. Oh yeah, there's lily pads and water lily flowers, and I don't know what kind of flowers these are called. I should know that, but they're really pretty. And let's see, it makes 8 cards in envelopes, so 4 of each of these 2 designs. They're pretty enough to use as they are, but of course I might make 2 that way, and or even 4 that way, and then use the rest for parts. I don't know yet. The colors are Bubble Bath, which is the light pink obviously, Crushed Curry, which is the yellow, Garden Green, explanatory, Melon Mambo, the edges of those flowers it looks like, Misty Moonlight, Orchid Oasis. Actually I think that's Orchid Oasis, and this around here. No, Misty Moonlight's in the dark. I don't know. Pretty Peacock, also in the grasses. And Tahitian Tide. That has to be in the water, the lily pads, I think. It's this right here, I think. I am not... Tahitian Tide's like a turquoise. I don't know. Looks like it might be in some of these lily pads. I'm not sure. Okay, so we got tear and tape and linen thread again. I have linen thread to last me a lifetime. We got some, I think. I don't use it as often as I could, I guess. We got some gems. They appear to be just clear, and 2 sizes, I think. Smaller ones, 4 rows of the smaller, and so relative to water, they look sort of clear like water droplets, right? So that's good. And some regular size dimensionals, so that's nice. I'm going to put them back in there for the moment. And then it looks like we get, how do these go? This way. So the flowers are right side up, Deb. That's interesting. I would think the water would be darker here and lighter. Anyway, there's that. And then These are the cards, which can either open this way, or I guess they'd have to go this way for the water lilies to be right side up. And then we have some envelopes. They look to be, oh no, they're different. I was gonna say, why would they have water lilies on the one that isn't? Oh, cool. Yeah, there's sort of a blue, watery, dark blue pattern there into lighter blue with the pretty peacock. So possibilities for cutting up the envelopes, but look, they have this cute water lily thing on the front, so those go together. Then the other envelopes have these little, they look like morning glories, but not on a vine to me. Oh, guess what? These are called lotus flowers. Strength, resilience, wisdom. I saw it on this one, so I thought I'd better read this too. Long revered in cultures around the world, the lotus flower is beautiful, strong, and pure. As the sun rises, the lotus flower emerges from dark, murky water with a miraculously clean flower. At day's end, it closes and descends back into the water, ready to repeat the process the next day. How cool is that? I think that's really cool. I always just called them water lilies. Maybe they're different. I don't think so. So then these are forget-me-nots. There's our answer. Oh, mine first one here got a little bent up. That's disappointing. I might have to cut that one and use it for something else. Love, devotion, memories. Forget-me-not flowers. Small and delicate forget-me-nots remind us to never forget the people we love. When you give someone these sky blue flowers with yellow centers, it represents a promise that you will always remember them. It also represents your hope that they will always remember you. Well, that just about brought me to tears. Because in my family, 3 of us anyway, our favorite color was blue, including my mother. And I can't say any more about that. So let's look at the inside of this. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So we have green over on this side, going up to the grass and the forget-me-nots, and then a yellow in the background. How pretty. The envelopes, excuse me, will not all be used as envelopes in that particular case. Okay, we have some labels, just one sheet of 5 labels it looks like, and some beautiful forget-me-not flowers. Oh, these are vellum. Okay, move over forget-me-nots. So I guess, remember I was saying it was weird that these were darker on the top part than the bottom? But I guess this overlays like that. And then, let me look at the picture. Yeah, and then we have, so we have these 4 of these overlays in vellum. They're vellum. See, you can kind of see through them a little bit. And then we get a sheet of these beautiful, I already forgot what they called these, water lilies to me. Lotus flowers. Lotus flowers. Okay. And I think these are probably gonna slip in here like this somehow. Maybe, no, the flower can't be upside down. Good grief. I'm all upside down and backwards today, like that. Or maybe it follows the line of that one. I don't know. I'll see what they say, but that's what I'm thinking their meaning for it. All right, so that is the paper pumpkin kit for the month of August. I have to say, I'm impressed the last 2 months that Stampin' Up's coming up with new, fresh ideas for card layouts, if you will. I'm pleased to see that. However, and I'm also very happy that we got some envelopes that can either be used as is, which are beautiful, or cut cut apart. They're not just plain white or something. So we have our lotus flowers, aka water lilies, and we have our beautiful forget-me-nots. Look at that bouquet. So this one, I guess if you fold this, I'm gonna have to do something with this one. Okay, so if we do that, I'm guessing, yeah, the picture just shows this in here, like this. Somehow, maybe like that. No, they have it tucked down in further. Maybe like, I don't know, I like it right there with a little bit of the stem showing, coming out there. Anyway, you know, there. And then, I don't know, I think they put the sentiment underneath the flower. Maybe they didn't put sentiments on. The picture doesn't show any sentiment on them. But you could put something like right here, or you could hide it. Oh, you know where I would probably put it is right here. I would stamp a sentiment right there, so it's hidden, because I wouldn't want to cover up this prettiness, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll come back with made cards and or alternatives, both probably. I don't know when. I was hoping I could do it this weekend, but I have some other commitments this weekend, and this coming week is going to be horrendously busy for me, out of the 5 weekdays. So I might not see you for a little while. And then September, I'm going to be putting out another video, because starting September 9th, I am going to be doing some live jewelry sales on my other channel. But I'm going to try and get some of my paper pumpkins and stuff done that last week of September. So hopefully, if nothing else happens between this coming week and that week, hopefully I'll be able to concentrate on doing some paper pumpkin alternatives for you from this kit and the last kit, which was also a beautiful kit. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. And yeah, have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week ahead. Bye for now.